going to give up an extra room in your house and share your bathroom.
You ready? You ready? Okay.
$140,000. House 2
2.
is the cheapest option.
Yeah. All right. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. You ready?
But it
Back, back,
lacks a
back, back.
second bedroom,
1,
and it's
2.
far from school.
Oh, you should have got that. Go get it. Go get
House 3
it.
is $150,000.
Go get it.
It's closest to school, but Maureen's not
It's over
sure
there.
if she can stretch her budget even further.
It's over there.
Renovations.
You kind of have this big wall here.
Yeah, it seems to be a submarket.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Yes. All right. Ready? Back, 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 back. 1, 2. Yes.
I think of all
Ready?
three of those things, there's
Ready?
one that can
Okay.
do it pretty quickly.
Okay, well let's eliminate one then.
The penthouse apartment.
Very good. Very
I
good.
can see
Back,
you
back,
living
back, back,
there,
back. Ready? Good boy. Very good. Very good. Ready? 1,
I think that was a
2.
deal breaker for you.
Yep. You ready? Do another one? Okay, back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back, back,
So
back.
then that leaves
Ready?
2 more.
Ready?
I absolutely love the Riverside Apartments. You open up this door,
Yeah, man.
and there's these
How long are we gonna do this?
trees and the
How long are we
water
gonna back,
and
back,
the
back, back,
mountain
back,
vibe.
back,
But it's 25,000
back, back.
over your budget.
Yeah, so there's
All
two-
right, dude. All right, dude. Ready?
And then we have the
1.
terrace apartments.
Back, back.
It's 2 bedrooms.
Back,
It's into lights. The problem there
Yep.
is,
Okay, back it up, dude.
you know, I kind of worry about
1.
this.
Oh, you're so good.
You know, I
1.
think I'm ready to make the
2.
final decision.
What's it going to be?
Yeah. Ready? Back it up.
Definitely
1.
going to be the terrace
2.
apartments.
There you go.
Easy
Ready?
commute and city convenience.
2.
Maureen stays on budget.
Oh, yeah. He's such a good boy. Such a good boy. You ready?
I'm settling in
2.
to
You're
life
so
here in
talented.
Dublin, and I really
Yeah.
like it. It's
2.
very
1, 2. Ready? Ready?
transitioning to a whole new
1,
life.
2.
I'm looking for
Oh.
groceries
Ready? Do it
where I
again.
can get
Last
some
one.
vegetarian,
Last one.
organic
1,
kind of options,
2.
you know? What I really want to try to do first is...
Okay, one more. One more. There's always one more. 1.
So I'm kind of
2.
adding things as I go.
All right.